Mind Maths. Mind Maths. Hi viewers, thank you for watching this video. Today we have to learn the subtraction of mixed fractions from Vedic mathematics tricks, short methods. Okay. Now I'm taking one example: 7 minus 3 whole 2 by 9. Okay, it is mixed fraction and it is a whole number. And now we are subtracting a mixed fraction from whole number. Okay, in current method, how we can do this? 7 right as it is minus 9. This is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction we have to change into improper fraction. To change that, 9 into 3, 9 3 are 27 plus 2, 29. Should write in numerator's place and denominator right as it is. And then in the next step, 9 is LCM. 9 7 are 63 minus 23. And in the next step, 63 minus 29. That means 13 minus 9, 4. And here 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3 by 9. It is improper fraction. And again we change into mixed fraction this one. Okay. How we can change? Just we divide 34 by 9. 9 4 is 36. It is not going from 34. That's why 9 3 is 27. 34 minus 7. That means 14 minus 7 7. And here 2 minus 2 0. 7 is remainder. 3 is quotient. So 3 whole quotient will write here. That means 3 whole remainder 7 by 9. This is the answer. Okay, this is the current method. But we can do this the same answer. We can get the same answer by using Vedic maths tricks in one line only. It is very simple and also it is very useful to every competitive examination. Okay, before going that, if you not subscribed my channel still now, just you subscribe my channel and click on the bell symbol to get updates. Okay, and also you listen complete video, you watch the video completely, and then if you have any doubt or anything, if it is good or if it is bad or anything, you should you can comment in the comment section. Okay, you remind, you comment in comment section. Okay, now we have to go find the subtraction, go through Vedic mathematics. How we can do? Use here 7 minus 3 whole 2 by 9. Take like this as it is. And now this 7 we can write as 6 whole 9 by 9. Why I written here 9 by 9? Use here. Here in the second fraction, that means in mixed fraction, the denominator is a 9. The denominator is a 9. Also here denominator 9 I will write. Okay, next in the numerator also same 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is a 1. Okay, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 came. That means actually 6 whole 9 by 9 means 6 whole 9 by 9 means it is equal to 6 plus 9 by 9, and 6 plus 9 by 9 is equal to 1, and it is 7. So we can write 7 as 6 whole 9 by 9, and next minus 3 whole 2 by 9. 3 whole 2 by 9. We can write this one. This is important in this. Here what is the denominator? That denominator should write here. This is important. Same denominator. Okay, now we do subtract whole numbers first. 6 minus 3. That means integral parts. 6 minus 3. 3. And next here numerator is 9. Here numerator is 2. And and subtraction of these numerators. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. And the denominators are same. So the same denominator will come here. 3 whole 7 by 9. You see this 3 whole 7 by 9. 3 whole 7 by 9. Same answer. Okay. This is very simple. After practicing 4-5 problems, we can write directly answer. Okay. Let us take one more example. 97 minus 86 whole 7 by 17. 97 minus 86 whole 7 by 17. Here the denominator is, in mixed fraction, the denominator is 17. So we should write this 96 whole 17 by 17. That's it. This one we can write as like this: 96 17 by 17 and minus 86 7 by 17. Write as it is. So here the denominator are same. Okay. Next, 96 minus 86. Subtraction of integral parts. 96 minus 86 is 10. 17 here numerators. 17 minus 7, 10 by 17. Denominator same, 17. So this is the answer. Okay. Let us take one more example. Third example. 97 not 237 minus 204 all 30. 200 all 4 by 30. So it is equal to 237 minus 204 by 30. Here 13 is denominator, so we can write 237 as 236 whole 13 by 13. So the denominator is the same here. And next minus 204 by 13. Right, as it is. It is equal to 236 minus 200. It is 36. And 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4, 9 by 13 is a denominator. So this is answer. I am taking one more example and the last, that is 137 minus 1068 by 9. Okay. So how we can write 137 and here 9 is denominator. That's why 136 9 by 9 minus 106 8 by 9. Like this we have to write. And now subtraction of whole numbers. 136 minus 106 is 20 and 9 by 9 here 8 by 9. So denominator same. Next to 9 minus 8, 1 by 9. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the very important trick in Vedic mathematics, and also it is very useful to any competitive examination to do the subtraction or simplification of fractional numbers in less time, very less time. Okay, thank you everyone to watch this video.
Thank you for watching my videos.